Grace and peace, this is your boy Dickson. Check this out, I gotta tell you, April 25th to April 30th, you don't wanna miss it. Bootcamp 2011 is gonna be bananas, it's gonna be crazy. Love the action, no more in the dirt, rise up. Haiti, stand up, stand up, stand up. We're looking for God to move in such a powerful way. We're looking for lives to be transformed. We're looking for God to do something that we could even imagine. Not ministry as usual, but unusual ministry, man. I'm talking about powerful word, anointed music, dancing, miming, you name it, we're gonna have it there. Brooklyn, stand up, it's gonna be powerful. I can't take it. This is a year of youth pastors, youth leaders, choir directors, musicians, youth leaders, get your youth ready. You want them to be there. Oh, I have an announcement to make. On the 30th, write this down, on the 30th, we'll be having Haitian Mass live, April 30th. Oh my goodness. Celebrating 21 years in ministry. 21 years. 21 years, that's older than some of you guys. It's gonna be crazy. 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 Don't forget, log on to my site, www.dixonguillaume.com. Right here, www.dixonguillaume.com. And you're gonna see how crazy it's gonna be. It's gonna be powerful. We're gonna stream it live. It's gonna be crazy. Oh my gosh, I'm going crazy. I can't wait. Is it April yet? Is it April yet? Is it, one second. Is it April yet?
From the Mount of Olives, they gazed in the sky, endowed with power, so when they faced with the trial, they would not cower.
Let's go.